watching Nama channel.
Okay, last class I have to explain about what are the types of polynomials and what is the definition regarding terms, expression like that. So today I have to see the example 1. Find the degree of each of the polynomial. Already explained you have to find out the degree. Degree is nothing but highest exponent of the expression. So first question, solution. So x power 5 minus x power 4 plus x power 3. Plus 3. So here the exponent having 5 is the power and then 4. Here highest power is 5. Therefore, degree is 5 because highest exponent of the expression is 5. The same way here it's in a rearrangement. So 2 minus y square y cube plus 2y power 8. You don't need to consider about the order. So just here the power is 2, here the power is 3, here the power is 8. So this one is the highest power. So therefore degree is 8. So here already told degree is nothing but highest power of the expression in with variable. So here there is no variable is there. Because of that, so 2 can be written in the form 2x power 0. For example, anything power 0 equal to 1. So 2 into 1 equal to 1. Because of this expression, so 0 is the degree. Therefore, degree is 0. Always degree of the constant number is 0. Followingly, we have to see the exercise number 1. Now we see exercise 2.1. Which of the following expression are polynomial in one variable and which are not? State reason for your answer. So already I told. So polynomial, the condition of the polynomial, the exponent of the variable is in whole number, not in a rational number, fraction or integers like that. So whether the expression is a polynomial, the condition is exponent is a whole number, and then the whole expression which contains only one variable like x, y, etc. So first question, do it as your homework. I do second question. So I take y square plus root 2. Here you observe the exponent of the y is 2. So 2 is a whole number. We consider this expression as a polynomial with the variable y. Therefore, polynomial is in one variable. Polynomial is polynomial with one variable. Polynomial with one variable. Which variable is here? Y. So we mentioned that in quotation. Polynomial with one variable. Polynomial with one variable y. Here in the same way, the third question you have to observe. So here some root is there. Because of that I changed that one. Solution. Here 3 root t plus t root 2. So here this root t can be written in the form 3t to the power 1 by 2 plus t root 2. Already I told the exponent of the variable is in whole number. Here it's in a fraction. So because of this, this is not a polynomial. This is not under the polynomial. You don't need to consider about whether it is in one variable or not. This is not a polynomial. So this is not a polynomial. You don't need to give the reason for whether it is, for example, t, only one variable is have the polynomial with one. First of all, this is not a polynomial, so no need to go with the one variable at all. So now we move with the fifth question. X power 10 plus y power 3 plus t power 50. Here the exponent of the x is 10. Exponent of the y is 3 and exponent of the t which is equal to 50. Here the given expression is a polynomial but which is not in a same variable, one variable, because it has a 3 variable x, y, t. polynomial is not in one variable. Is not in one variable. The polynomial is not in one variable, but it has how many variable? 3 variable. What are they? X, Y and T. X, Y and T. X, Y and T. Next we move on to the Roman letter 2. Now the second Roman. Write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. Coefficient is nothing but it's a multiple with any of the variable. It may be x, y or whatever it is. Here they are asking coefficient of x square. The first question, 2 plus x square plus x, it can be written in order x square plus x plus 2. So here where is the term x square? Here. So it can be multiple with the 1. So 1 into x square. Already told coefficient is nothing but the product of the variable. Here x square is the variable. We need x square, a coefficient of x square. So the product is 1. So we know that coefficient of x square is 1. Coefficient of x square is 1. Simple. So now we move on to question number 2. So here root 2x minus 1. So here you have to see we have to find out the coefficient of the term x square, the variable x square. Here there is no term with x square. So simply we write there is no coefficient r. So first I write there is no coefficient r. The another way, so you have to written this expression like this. Minus 1, it can be written as 0x square plus root 2x minus 1. So 0 into anything, 0, so 0 doesn't have any value. So what is the exponent of coefficient of x square? 0 is the coefficient of x square. So 0 means there is no value. Because of that there is no coefficient. Otherwise you have to write like this, 0 is your coefficient. Zero is a coefficient of x square because x square term is not present here. So this is the another method. Next we move on to Roman letter 3. Third Roman. Give one example each of a binomial of degree 35 and of a monomial of degree 100. So we have to write one example. First binomial of degree 35 and monomial of degree 100. Binomial in the sense by 2 and nomial. So it's contained 2 terms. The highest degree is 35. The same way monomial, it contains only one term with the combination of variable and then constant or with variable only. The highest degree is 100. So first we take a binomial of degree 35. Binomial of degree 35. So binomial already you know this, binomial 2 term is there. So I will take 2 term. So term is nothing but the combination of variable and then constant. So I take 2x plus 5. So I take 2 terms first. 2x plus 5. 1 to 2 terms. So we have a highest degree is 35. The degree, it can be the exponent of the variable. So I write 2x power 35. So the answer is 2x power 35 plus 5 is the example for binomial of degree 35. The same way I move on to monomial of degree 100. So monomial. Monomial only one term. It can be the combination of constant and variable or only the variable. So I will combine with the constant. It can be written as 3p 3p. I take 3p is the monomial. So 3p. So what is the degree highest exponent of the variable p? I take 100. Exponent of the p is 100. So this is one example for binomial and this is one example for monomial. So students, by yourself you have to write five example for binomial of degree 35 and monomial of degree 100, and as well as you have to try trinomial of degree 75. So binomial of degree 35 and also 100 and also 75. The same way monomial of degree 100 and also 35 and also 75. So trinomial of degree only 75. Already I told 35 one example. Again you have to repeat it. You have to take 175 here 35 75. Trinomial only with the 75. Each having three example. Not at all going with the 5 example. So three example for binomial, monomial and trinomial. Next we move on to the Roman letter 4. So fourth Roman, write the degree of each of the following polynomial. So first question, 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x is the first question. Solution. So 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. Already told what is meant by degree. Degree is determined the highest exponent of the polynomial it present with the variable. So what is the exponent of x here? 3. Exponent of x 2. Exponent of x 1. So which one is the highest? So 3 is greater than 2. 2 is greater than 1. So this is the highest exponent of this expression. Therefore degree is 3. So next we move on to question number 3. Remaining question you do it as your homework. Second question do it as your homework. After then other than 3 you do it as your homework. So here 5t minus root 7. 5t minus root 7. Here only one term it contains a variable. So the degree of this t is 1. So already you know that degree of the constant is 0. So 1 is greater than 0. So highest exponent of the expression is the degree. Therefore, what is the degree of this expression? Degree is 1. So next we move on to the Roman letter 5. Classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic. So how you find out the given expression is a linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial? So on the basis of degree which contains highest exponent of the expression is we consider as a degree. On the basis of degree we have to classify whether it is linear, quadratic or cubic. So linear in the sense the degree is 1, quadratic degree is 2, cubic already you know that cube in the sense 3. So the highest exponent of that expression is 3. We say it is a degree 3, that is cubic polynomial. First question, x square plus x. So in the solution, x square plus x, here the exponent is 1, here the exponent is 2. So 2 is greater than 1, so degree is 2. So this expression we say it as quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. The expression consists degree 2. So quadratic polynomial, the expression consists degree 2. The same way, question number 2. X minus x cube. X minus x cube. So the exponent is 1 and exponent is 3. So 3 is greater than 1. So the degree is 3. So we say it as cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Therefore, the expression consists degree 3. Fourth one, 1 plus x. So 1 plus x, 1 plus x. Already you know that exponent of the constant degree is 0 is 1. So 1 is greater than 0. An expression which contains 1 as a degree, that is linear. So this is linear polynomial. Expression consists degree 1. Same big question number 5. 3t. Here only one term, you no need to compare any other. Directly return the answer. It's also linear. Because the highest exponent is 1. The expression consists degree 1. So followingly, I have to attach the worksheet and remaining sums from the each Roman letter. You do it as your homework. I hope every day you finish your worksheet and also the homework in your homework notebook. And you have any doubt, you clear in that in a Zoom interactive session. Thank you, students.
Thank you for watching AHA நம்ம சேனல். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. வீடியோ அடிக்கடி பார்க்கறதுக்காக இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப்